Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 7 to the power of x plus 8 is equal to 8 to the power of x plus 7 to find the values of x. In the first step, we start by applying log to the both sides. So it will be log of 7 to the power of x plus 8 is equal to log of 8 to the power of x plus 7. And as you know, log of a to the power of m is equal to m log of a. We can take this m to outside the log, and here it will be, we can take this power outside the log, so it will be x plus 7 times log of 7 is equal to, in here, x plus 7, it is x plus 8, and here x plus 7 times log of 8. So it will be x to the log of 7, x to the log of 7 plus 8 times log of 7, 8 times log of 7 is equal to x times log of 7, x log of, log of 8, x log of 8, and plus 7 log of 8, 7 log of 8. In the next step, in here we have x log of 7, and in here also we have x, so we take this to the left side and this part to the right side. So it will be x log of 7, this to the left side, minus x log of 8 is equal to, here, 7 log of 8 minus this to the right side, it will be 8 log of 7. And here x is common, so we can factor this x, and it will be this divided by this is log of 7 minus this divided by this is log of 8 equal to this 7 log of 8 minus 8 log of 7. In the next step, we divided both sides by log of 7 minus log of 8. So it will be divided log of 7 minus log of 8, and also here log of 7 minus log of 8. And it will be, this will cancel this, x is equal to this 7 log of 8, and here we can write minus 8 log of 7 to minus 7 log of 7 minus log of 7. Also, this is equal to this. Minus 7 log of 7 minus log of 7 is minus log of 8. And over log of 7 minus log of 8. In the next step, x is equal, in here we have 7 log of 8 and minus 7 log of 8. From these two parts, we can factor minus 7, and it will be, this divided by this is minus log of 8, and this divided by this is plus log of 7. And also we have minus log of 7. divided by this. Log of 7 minus log of 8. And from here, we have two parts, this and this, and we can divide this divided by this and this divided by this. So it will be x is this divided by this. Also in here, log of 7 minus log of 8, and log of 7 minus log of 8, this will cancel this, so it will be minus 7, and minus this divided by this. Log of 7 over log of 7 minus log of 8. Log of 8. And x is equal log of 7 is 0.8451, and log of 8 is 0.9031, and x is minus 7 minus log of 7 is 0.8451, and log of 7 minus log of 8, 0.8451 minus 0.9031, and this is equal to x is minus 7 minus this divided by this is minus 14.5706, and x is minus is positive, so minus 7 plus 14.5706, and this is equal to 7.5706, and this is our final answer for x. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.